Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to remove and replace the reverse light bulbs. This video should apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2023. In 2015 there was a facelift, but I believe everything should be the same. Okay, so the reverse light bulb is located right here. So the first thing you want to do, you want to leave the trunk, and then typically I have this spoiler installed on the trunk, so I'm missing a couple of things here. But what you will have like a plastic cover right here, which is held by one plastic trim screw. And all you have to do, just have to pop it out using a flat screwdriver, and once you do that you will come to the light bulb socket. Okay, now all you have to do, I will try recording from this side, you just have to turn this socket counterclockwise, right, and pull the bulb out. And now to remove the bulb from the socket, you just pull it straight out. There is no turning or anything, right? And when you're installing the new bulb in, you just push it in and install back the socket. And the bulb you need is 3157. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.